It's very important to know who you are as Ongwehomwe, Haudenosaunee, Cree, Ojibwe, Anishinaabe, Dene. It's important to know who you are, where you come from.
Creator gave us 7 gifts when we came. He gave us our nations, he gave us our language, he gave us our clan, he gave us our name, he gave us our song, he gave us our helpers, and he gave us our purity. And colonialism took that all away. But we're getting that back, and that's powerful. It's the most important thing, because when you have those things, they guide you, they support you, and they give you your responsibilities. And when you have those responsibilities, you have the power to do things, and that's real sacred.
Opportunities to be around Indigenous people and the Indigenous culture mean a lot to me. It just helps with understanding the culture and being around the culture and having a sense of community, as it feels so much easier to meet and mingle with Indigenous people compared to being in more of a colonial space.
Well, what it means to me, it means I get to meet new friends, meet new people, and have some fun.
I loved the talks that we had, or the speeches and talks from the elders when we were at the amphitheater. That was really great, and I really appreciated hearing what they had to say. Taboo talking, we had some very inspiring things to say. And dancing at the social last night was really, really fun. I really appreciated it.
I know a lot of youth feel alone, but that you're never alone. You have all the creation and our mother, and that you do make a difference. Yeah.
There's an old saying, fly your freak flag. So build yourself your own flag. Do not ever be sorry for who you are. Do not ever be ashamed for who you are. And just remember that you are loved. And also remember that as you walk and navigate through life, that all of your ancestors who have ever existed stand behind you, support you, and are helping you navigate this world.
I've been inspired by the youth here at NPAAMB and inspired by the staff, and every time I get to come and participate in these activities, it helps me gain even more of a sense of who I am and who I ultimately hope to be.
Opportunity, keep working. Kaya na don't be sad. And opportunities in what you are doing is really good. Gikan dalmanda, I know this because giwa because I've seen my children do this. We need to be leaderships in the community. Quinoa, and you guys, that's what you're going to be. The leadership in the community. And once the children learn their culture and a little bit of it, they'll be in good shape.